Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Your competitors are running ads across all of Meta's platforms. With AdPeekr, you'll know the moment they launch something new. Let's set that up right now. On the ad search page, click the Ads channel filter. It sits right next to the search button. From the drop-down, select Meta. This tells AdPeekr you want to search and subscribe to Meta ads, covering Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Now type in the name of the brand you want to monitor and hit search. Click on the name of your desired advertiser. You can now watch all of their active ads across the Meta platforms. Click on Set Alert, and then subscribe. AdPeekr now watches their Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger ad activity 24/7. No manual checks required. As soon as they launch a new Meta ad, you'll receive an alert within 0 to 4 hours. With the ad creative, so you always know exactly what they're running. Real-time Meta ads intelligence with zero manual effort. That's AdPeekr. Thanks for watching.